Nedaudz paklausīsimies, kā tad izklausās hip-hops, jeb vienkārši tautas valodā runājot, raps.
Cracker, I just gotta stay crisp. I just gotta stay crisp. I just gotta stay crisp. With a crack. Cracker, I just gotta stay crisp. It's crack. I just gotta stay crisp. I just gotta stay crisp. Stay crispy, kid, now don't get tipsy yet. Put the shit right on the repeat, the speakers wet. I never cash a check or fly a jet, but I still stay fly, I make the flies eject. Easy game, easy go. Wonder what the club thinks of my easy flow. Yeah, I know my simple shit from 1 to the 4. Look mom, look dad, rhyming with my eyes closed. Crackers stay fresh, never go stale. Stay real crisp till the cookie hit the shell. Even make the rumble in your tummy go away. So long you listen to the tape every day. The cracker make your tongue and your taste buds happy. Started from the ones in the front to the back. And let it rotate, bite down on it. Put a crown on it, put a crown on it. Cause a cracker, I just gotta stay crispy. Stay crispy, I just gotta stay crispy. I just gotta stay crispy. Cracker, I just gotta stay crispy. I just gotta stay crispy. I just gotta stay crispy. Got crunch, got color, got flavor too. I'm the original, the OG, not version 2. I got the power when I peek, then I see through you. I'm going now when I speak, but I'm coming at you. Wait for it, ooh. Never knew that, and I never too soon. Now I got proof that I crack like a cracker. Crispy thing, back crunch till I catch you. Hold me with the beats and a firm plan of feet. And the whole damn street, knowledge is speech with the lean blue sneaks. But the way that I speak, tell you all about the beat that I place in my teeth. Never too late if you wanna be gone. 5 gram joint or just a ball